Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos, enjoying this beautiful day over here in Boston. Way up at the 9th floor of this building. And just want to thank all of my subscribers, viewers, and members of the YouTube and car community in sharing these videos with me, and the questions and the answers and the overall interaction from the Mercedes community. You guys are the best, you guys are great, and I enjoy making these videos for you. Give me a shout out, tell me where you are in the world. I have people all over, friends that have grown into a family online, and just wanted to see where you guys are coming from. Post down in the description, or in the comment section rather, where you are in the world, what type of Mercedes you have driven or you're currently driving, and what plans you have for new vehicles. Take a look at the view, guys. Beautiful, nice day today in Boston. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.